You're not just behind the wheel, you're commanding a futuristic marvel that feels more like a spaceship than a car. In 2025, the gap between sci-fi dreams and real-life driving has practically vanished. Supercars that once ruled the streets now seem outdated next to the ultra-intelligent, electric-powered, tech-loaded machines of today. These aren't just cars, they're speed demons with AI brains, lightning-fast reflexes, and jet-inspired designs. From hybrid hypercars to race-ready monsters, these 10 rides don't just challenge supercars, they embarrass them. Get ready to meet the next generation of road royalty. 1. Lamborghini Temerario. Lamborghini turned a new page in 2025 with the Temerario, a spiritual successor to the beloved Huracan. But this isn't just a sequel, it's a complete redefinition. Under its sharply sculpted hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with 3 electric motors, 2 up front, 1 at the rear. Altogether, it unleashes 907 horsepower and 759 lb-ft of torque, sending the car rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds and topping out at 213 miles per hour. What's even more impressive? This hybrid revs to an astronomical 10,000 RPM, a number unheard of in hybrid tech. Thanks to the electric assistance, turbo lag is non-existent, and instant torque rockets the car forward like it's being launched from a railgun. The aggressive wedge design pays homage to classic Lambos but incorporates active aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque that enhances handling and efficiency. The Temerario doesn't just update Lamborghini's lineup, it completely reinvents it. Compared to older V10 Huracans, this is a smarter, cleaner, and far more brutal machine. 2. Ferrari F80. Ferrari's obsession with speed meets sustainability in the F80, a car that shatters expectations and lap records. Powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, working in harmony with dual electric motors, the F80 boasts a combined output of 1,200 horsepower. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.15 seconds and reaches 200 kph, 124 miles per hour, in 5.75 seconds. Performance figures that rival dedicated track weapons. Its design screams speed, sleek side intakes, a sharply sloped rear, and an F1-inspired aerodynamic package that includes an active rear diffuser and adjustable wings. Ferrari's engineers pulled direct influence from the SF24 Formula One car to create a driving experience that blends racetrack aggression with real-world usability. Inside, the F80 gets a minimalist cockpit with a curved OLED display, steering wheel integrated controls, and haptic feedback paddles, all designed for laser-focused driving. It's a technological masterpiece that makes traditional combustion-only Ferraris like the 458 Italia feel like museum pieces. 3. McLaren, you won. The McLaren W1 is what happens when you give engineers a blank check and tell them to build the ultimate hybrid track car. This hypercar is the spiritual heir to the legendary McLaren P1, but meaner, cleaner, and faster. The W1 combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an ultra-compact electric drive unit for a combined 1,258 horsepower and 988 lb-ft of torque. That means 0-100 kph, 62 miles per hour, in 2.15 seconds, and a top speed above 217 miles per hour. What makes the W1 unique is its engineering. A carbon fiber monocoque tub weighs just 165 pounds, and the pushrod suspension system is borrowed straight from Formula One. The active aero system constantly adjusts to reduce drag or increase downforce, depending on speed and cornering forces. It also features McLaren's predictive torque control, which can preemptively distribute power to individual wheels during cornering for insane grip. The W1 isn't just a car, it's a four-wheeled fighter jet that makes even the 720S seem like it's standing still. 4. Bugatti Tourbillon. Welcome the new king, the Bugatti Tourbillon. Unveiled in mid-2025, the Tourbillon brings Bugatti back to the top with a wild combination of old-school displacement and new-school tech. Underneath its flowing sculptural body lies a naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16, built in partnership with Cosworth, paired with 3 electric motors to produce a monstrous 1,800 horsepower. This powertrain helps the tourbillon hit 0-60 miles per hour in just about 2 seconds, with a top speed of 280 miles per hour. That makes it the fastest road-legal Bugatti ever made, and perhaps the most powerful production car in history. Luxury is also at the forefront. The cockpit features hand-polished aluminum dials, sapphire crystal instrument covers, and a Swiss watch-inspired analog-digital hybrid cluster. It's opulent, absurdly fast, and a rolling work of art. The tourbillon doesn't just push boundaries, it obliterates them. 5. Chevrolet Corvette. Zora, the Corvette is no longer just America's affordable sports car. It's now a high-tech hybrid powerhouse. The 2025 Corvette Zora represents the peak of the Corvette evolution, blending race engineering and electric performance. Named after Zora Arkus Duntov, the Zora features a 5.5-liter twin-turbo V8 mated with a front-mounted electric motor, offering all-wheel drive and a total output of around 1,200 horsepower. It's expected to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 233 mph, figures that put it in hypercar territory. Yet it costs a fraction of the price of its European rivals. Its wind tunnel sculpted body, adjustable wing, and track-tuned suspension make it a force to reckon with on both the drag strip and Nürburgring. If you ever doubted that an American car could beat a Ferrari or McLaren, the Zora's about to change your mind. 6. Aston Martin Valhalla. Built with input from the Aston Martin Formula One team, the Valhalla brings the intensity of F1 to public roads. Its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, sourced from AMG, is paired with a battery electric system for over 1,000 horsepower. Aston Martin claims a 0-60 miles per hour time under 2.5 seconds with a top speed beyond 217 miles per hour. The carbon fiber monocoque weighs just 164 pounds, and the active suspension dynamically adjusts based on speed and cornering angles. Aerodynamics are handled via active underbody channels, movable front splitters, and a deployable rear wing that generates downforce like an aircraft spoiler. Inside, the Valhalla looks like a spaceship cockpit, complete with a floating digital dash, carbon fiber seats, and a HUD that tracks G-forces, tire grip, and driver stress levels. This car is Aston Martin's most advanced vehicle ever, and it's designed to humble even the Aventador. 7. Porsche 911 GT3 RS MR. Track monster by heart, street legal by design, the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS MR is everything a true driver dreams of. Born from Porsche's motorsport DNA and sharpened by Manthey Racing, this car isn't about showing off big numbers, it's about owning every corner. Under the hood is a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six, pumping out 502 horsepower. That might not sound wild in today's age of 4-digit EVs, but trust this, nothing handles like it. The GT3 RS MR has blitzed the Nürburgring in under 6 minutes and 50 seconds, outrunning hypercars that cost triple. Manthey's upgrades include carbon fiber aero bits, adjustable coilovers, and race-spec brakes that bite like no other. Steering feels telepathic, grip is otherworldly, and the engine's 9,000 revolutions per minute scream is pure racing theater. This isn't just a car, it's a scalpel for the asphalt. It proves that precision beats power and balance beats brute force. The GT3 RS MR doesn't just drive, it dominates. 8. Lexus LFR. Lexus is charging back into the supercar scene with the LFR, a mysterious prototype that's been turning heads while testing at the Nürburgring. This sleek machine is expected to be the spiritual successor to the legendary LFA, and it's stirring up serious excitement. Under the hood, the LFR will likely feature a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with hybrid technology, pushing out over 700 horsepower. This powertrain promises not only blistering speed, but also the added torque and efficiency of electric assistance. The chassis is being co-developed with Toyota Gazoo Racing, ensuring motorsport-grade performance. Features like active aerodynamics, multi-mode driving systems, and even a simulated V10 exhaust note, mimicking the LFA's iconic soundtrack, highlight Lexus's commitment to driver engagement and innovation. Set to challenge heavyweights like the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren Artura, the LFR proves Lexus is more than capable of competing with Europe's elite. It's not just a comeback, it's a quiet declaration of war. The LFR is Lexus's bold statement that Japanese performance can still shake the world. 9. Maserati MC20 Cielo. The MC20 Cielo is Maserati's stunning answer to the age-old question, can a convertible match the performance of a coupe? The answer is a loud and thrilling yes. Under the hood is Maserati's Nettuno engine, a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, pushing out an impressive 621 horsepower. It rockets the Cielo from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds and reaches a top speed of 202 miles per hour, all while looking effortlessly elegant. What sets it apart? The Cielo features an electrochromic glass roof that opens in just 12 seconds and can switch from clear to opaque with the push of a button, blending open-air excitement with smart tech. Step inside and you're greeted by premium Alcantara trim, dual digital displays, and voice-activated controls for everything from drive modes to the active suspension system. The MC20 Cielo isn't just another fast convertible. It's a finely crafted machine that finally delivers on Maserati's promise of blending performance, beauty, and Italian soul. 10. Ford Mustang GTD. The Mustang GTD is Ford's most extreme street-legal Mustang ever, built with racing DNA straight from its GT3 race car. Under the hood is a monstrous 5.2-liter supercharged V8, churning out 815 horsepower to the rear wheels. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest American cars ever made. Every part of the GTD screams performance. A carbon fiber wide body kit, active rear wing, titanium exhaust, and carbon ceramic brakes. It features an adjustable race-derived suspension system that hugs corners like a true track weapon. The rear-mounted transaxle gives it near-perfect weight balance, making it as sharp on twisty roads as it is on the track. It even set one of the fastest Nürburgring lap times ever for an American production car, proving it's not just muscle but precision too. While it looks and drives like a Le Mans prototype, it's fully road legal. The GTD is Detroit's bold answer to Europe's best. In conclusion, in 2025, the definition of a supercar has changed forever. It's no longer just about V12s and flashy paint. Today's top-tier machines combine electric power, software precision, and aerospace engineering to deliver mind-bending performance wrapped in style. From the brutal hybrid strength of the Corvette Zora to the cutting-edge luxury of the Bugatti Tourbillon, these 10 machines don't just compete, they redefine what we thought was possible on 4 wheels. So forget the past. The future is now, and it's traveling at 280 miles per hour. Which of these tech-loaded monsters would you take for a spin? Enjoyed the review? Hit subscribe for the latest luxury car updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.